Wow, 2 blown contacts. I'd say she's excited. Don't run me over. Hey! Commitment to tunnels, we gotta work it. Don't work sets in front of tunnels. Work restrained recall hold in front of tunnels. Right? Grab her by, yes. Good. Yay! Good cookie. Awesome. You remember your course? Okay.